Blueberries, superfood status examined.
Blueberries are often hailed as the ultimate superfood, but what does research really say? This video explores the real health benefits of blueberries, separating scientific evidence from popular claims, so you can make informed choices about adding them to your diet.
Nutrient Powerhouse, what's inside blueberries?
Blueberries are rich in vitamins C and K, as well as dietary fiber and manganese. They also contain powerful antioxidants, especially anthocyanins, which give blueberries their deep blue color. These nutrients are linked to various health benefits, making blueberries a healthy addition to most diets.
Health benefits backed by science.
Several studies suggest that blueberries can support heart health, help maintain healthy blood pressure, and improve blood sugar control. In addition, their antioxidants may help protect cells from damage. However, while beneficial, blueberries are not a cure-all, and their effects must be considered as part of an overall healthy lifestyle.
Cognitive function and brain health.
Some research indicates that regular blueberry consumption may support brain health. Studies involving older adults show that blueberries could help with memory and cognitive function, possibly due to their high levels of antioxidants. However, more long-term research in humans is needed to confirm these promising results.
Blueberries in a balanced diet.
While blueberries offer health benefits, the key to wellness is variety. Incorporating blueberries alongside other fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy habits is the best way to promote overall health. Enjoy them as part of a balanced diet, rather than relying on any single superfood for your well-being.